Hello, kids! Welcome back to Phonics Teach. Today, we're going to learn the app family words. Let's have some fun together. K, app, cap. A cap is something you wear on your head. G, app, gap. A gap means a little space between two things. Oo, ap, lap. You sit on your mom's lap when you read a story. Ap, map. A map shows you where places are. Nap. Nap. After playing, it's time to take a little nap. Sap. Sap is the sticky juice that comes from a tree. Tap. A tap gives you water when you turn it on. Rap. Rap means a fun way to sing or tap words with rhythm. Great job, kids! You learned so many app family words today. Let's say them together. Cap, gap, lap, map, nap, sap, tap, rap. Wonderful work. Keep learning and keep smiling with Phonics Teach. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.